The dirtiest Focus on YouTube. My 2003 Ford Focus. Alright. When you turn it on, you'll get some messages. Boop. There it goes. Ford. First on race day. Alright, so it's going to say low tire pressure. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So I don't have any tire pressure sensors in these tires. So I get that message all the time. But the good news is if you do a walk around every time you get fuel, you can check your tires. But if you have tire pressure sensors, TPS monitors, here's how you fix that. First, get you one of these. They're not that expensive. This one's a Craftsman. Plugs into the wall. You just turn it on. Then you spend the next 30 minutes looking for your air pressure gauge. Well, it's not in here, apparently. It's not in here. And then you walk in the house and ask your wife, hey, hon, have you seen that little circular air pressure gauge that you test tire pressure with?
The last time I saw it was over by your music room area.
Okay, over by that toolbox by my music room. Thank you. That's a really good flanger, by the way. Really good flanger. Yeah, I don't think it's over here. I must have put it somewhere for safekeeping. Can you eat dinner real quick? Now it's starting to get dark, so you're starting to get a little, what do you call that? Angry at yourself for not knowing where your air pressure gauge is. By the way, if you're ever in Meridian, Mississippi and want a cigar, these guys, Queen City Cigar, are the best. You're still pissed off at yourself because you can't find it yet, and it's starting to get dark. You're trying to make a video so that you can teach people how to do this, and really you're just showing them how bad your ADD is. But I don't see it hanging up. And you walk past your project that you've been walking past for 2 weeks thinking you're going to get that fixed. Ha ha ha. And then you just say, forget it. You pull this off. You put that in there. You watch the bottom of the tire, and as soon as it stops bowing out, you're done. And you see it bowing out. Alright, that's good enough for me for right now. And you just do it all the way around the car. Because you ain't got no TPS sensors. Tire pressure sensor, TPS monitors, whatever they call them. That's how you do that. Yep.